truck and take the Advil, and then we load up in her truck because I was on my bike. Hello, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah, I was on my bike, and
There you go. Now, if you would stay off your phone, you'd be able to drive straight.
I'd laugh if there's a cop. I think it might be. I think it's a cop.
Yeah.
Huh. But yeah, after that, she wanted to go to Walmart to look for something, which she ended up not finding, and then she was like, and then she was like,
I'm just gonna say
Video
that.
protected.
and then she was like going to the. I ended up buying that fucking mouse because she went to the fucking bathroom. Like, I was just trying to kill time, you know?
Uh-huh.
But I didn't need the mouse, like, really. Because the scroll wheel on the mouse that I'd swapped the Razer out for was really stiff and fucking hard to use.
I should have been like, put the phone down. Yes, I made eye contact with you because you're a dumbass.